Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can turn backup off both on Android and iPhone and iPad. So let's get right into it. I'll be using this sort of support article, and I'll be explaining only for mobile platforms since, as far as I'm aware, doing this for a PC or a computer is simply not possible at the moment. So I'll just be going through the instructions on how to turn your backup off for the mobile devices. So let's start with Android, and the process is pretty same for the Android and iOS devices, so I'll be going over it really quickly. Now, to turn backup off, it is the same as turning it on. You just have to locate the setting, and what you need to do is just open up the Google Photos app and then sign into your Google account. Once you're here, you just want to click or tap on your profile picture just in the top right. As you can see here, you would click here on that. It could be a picture if you've set it up or an initial. It really doesn't matter. You just click on that, then tap on photo settings and go into backup, and then you turn backup on or off depending on your wishes. Now, if you get a message on iOS to allow the device to access it, you need to open up the iOS settings app and tap privacy and go into photos and turn on Google Photos, and that should help with any errors. And that is pretty much how you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.